Welcome to Relocating to Disney. So what's it like to have a house that's 1,200 miles away? Well, something like this happens. Now what happened is the alarm on the door fell off, which caused the alarm to trigger. And from 1,200 miles away, how are you going to shut that off? How are you going to put that back on the door? The next thing to happen is the house gets hit with a 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. And that ripped off the fascia, which caused all of the soffit covers to blow across the entire neighborhood. So what are you going to do about that 1,200 miles away? We were fortunate that our neighbor came over and told us about the problem.
Hello?
Oh, hi. I'm from next door, and we're kind of having a bad windstorm, and part of your fascia on the front of the house is moving around, so I just wanted to see if anybody was home so they could, I don't know, probably get these roots off the land. Just wanted you to know.
Oh, thank you. I'll have somebody stop by and take a look at it.
Well, luckily we found a handyman who could run over and take a look at the house right away. We were very fortunate on that. And they scoured the neighborhood and they found all of the missing pieces to our garage and they put it back together. So that's some of the fun that we've had so far with a house 1,200 miles away. Thank you for watching today's video.